We have seen in many movies that the rich people spend their holidays on a yacht or a cruise. A cruise company named Six Star Cruises announced one of the most expensive cruise packages, and the people have gone crazy about it. The voyage will kick off on November 11, 2021 from London and will cover 11 countries over a span of 123 days. The journey will end on March 13, 2022 with a return flight from Tokyo to London. Every part of this journey screams elegance, and why would it not, as the package costs a whopping $1.2 million, that is £1 million per couple. Welcome to TTS, and today we talk about the most expensive cruise journey. Watch till the end and enjoy. Let's first start by looking at the itinerary of this journey. The whole Regent cruise experience is of 123 days, visiting 41 ports across 11 countries. But the luxury begins before even entering the cruise with a first-class plane ride on Emirates from London Heathrow to Dubai. After a leisure day in Dubai, you would be taken to Dubai Airport in a helicopter, from where you will board a private jet to Hong Kong. The whole trip is planned around 3 Regent Seven Seas cruises, with planned lavish breaks in the cities like Sydney, Auckland, Bali, Tokyo, Ho Chi Minh and Bangkok. As per the name of the cruise, it really travels 7 seas. The 123 days holiday is planned in 3 parts. The first part is a 32-night cruise from Hong Kong to Sydney, where you'll also celebrate Christmas and New Year. From Sydney, you'll be taken to Auckland in a private jet, and the second part of the journey begins from Auckland to Bali in a 30-night cruise. The final leg of the journey begins from Bali to Tokyo, which is a 32-night journey. The journey itself repeats some of the destinations like Singapore, Ho Chi Minh, Bangkok and Brisbane, but from different cruises. So overall, 94 days of the holiday will be spent on the cruise and in the heart of different seas. If 70% of the holiday is spent on a cruise, you can imagine how the cruise will be, and one word comes to mouth, that is lavish. Now let's talk about some of the features of the cruise. Regent Seven Seas Explorer Suite. First, let's talk about the massively luxurious Regent Suite. When you walk into this suite, you will be walking into a modern designed room with shades of cream and blue, with a king-sized bed having an oversized leather wall-mounted headboard. And don't forget the champagne waiting for you. The suite is 4,443 square feet in size, including 2 bedrooms, a walk-in closet and a huge bathroom with twin sinks, a bathtub and a rainfall-style shower. The whole bathroom is designed with a black and white marble finish and has L'Occitane toiletries. Every suite has a huge balcony that ensures the best view and can fit 2 rattan reclining chairs. The suite also includes a private spa with a sauna, a jacuzzi and a steam room. The trip includes unlimited spa treatments. And again, don't forget the mini pool. For cherry on top, the suite has Picasso paintings and a grand piano. If you are bored in your room, you can always go outside and have a look at many amenities the ship offers. Regent Seven Seas Explorer Entertainment and Amenities. The cruise is filled with entertainment and amenities. There is a multipurpose gym and a jogging track around the deck for fitness freaks. The cruise also includes a pool deck and a spa. There is a library for avid readers. And don't forget the golf nets, shuffleboards, bocce courts and paddle tennis for sport lovers. For entertainment, the cruise has a huge theatre with personal tables and Murano glass lamps for after-dinner shows. The cruise has a casino, why not, and many sophisticated lounge bars. Also, the Seven Seas Explorer contains over 500 massive crystal chandeliers. Dining on the Regent Seven Seas Explorer. The Seven Seas Explorer is specially going to be famous for dining, looking at its menu, which includes caviar, lobster, classy wines, and variety of cuisines. Primarily, there are 3 specialty restaurants on the cruise. Chartreuse, specialized in French dining; Prime 7, famous for American steak; Pacific Rim is Asian dining. If the guests are interested to take cooking classes, then there is a culinary center on board which is equivalent to a prestigious cooking school. The class offers you various courses from French cooking to Spanish cooking. The cruise covers some of the most beautiful destinations in Asia as well as in the Oceania, and the cruise will visit 41 ports across the journey with a choice of almost 235 excursions. Now let's take a look at some of the land attractions this trip covers. The lavishness and luxury aren't limited only to the cruise. The 29 days that you will spend on land are worth every penny as on the cruise. You will stay in some of the world's posh hotels. In Dubai, the passengers will stay in Burj Al Arab. The passengers will also stay in Ritz-Carlton in Hong Kong, the Park Hyatt in Sydney, the Sofitel Auckland Viaduct Harbour Hotel in Auckland, the Aman Hotel in Tokyo, included with a mini wine cellar. Six Star Cruises has made sure that all the fun and luxury will remain private and the passengers will not mix with the other people, and that is the whole point of £1 million. All the sightseeing and tours will be in a privileged arrangement. The trip includes a private sunset desert safari in Dubai, in Hummer H2 with traditional Arabian coffee, a private Lantau Island tour in Hong Kong, Blue Mountains tour in Sydney, the tour of Waitamu Caves and Hobbiton in Auckland, and a private Mount Fuji volcano helicopter tour. The guests will get to experience fireworks over Sydney Harbour Bridge from the private balcony of a rooftop suite at the Park Hyatt Hotel in Sydney on New Year's Eve. On the land, there's always a guarantee of royal treatment with transfers by helicopters, private jet, and chauffeur-driven SUV cars between ports, hotels, and airport. Please share this video and subscribe to the channel. Any suggestions as to how we can improve our video is highly valuable, so just write down your feedback in the comment section below and we will try to implement them. Until then, spread love. Bye bye.